Welcome to Flavor Chef Kitchen again. So we make some rasta pasta with jerk shrimp and spinach. So we'll clean up the shrimp, some lime and vinegar. Clean it up real good, cause it come from the store, so you want to make sure everything nice. So we'll add with jerk seasoning, one of the favorites out there, trust me. And then we're gonna add with wet jerk seasoning. So we add the dry first, a tablespoon, and then a tablespoon of the jerk, the wet one. We mix it all together. We throw it on the grill and spray the grill, throw it on. See how nice them color they come out. Trust me. Anybody who loves seafood, they definitely gonna love this. Plus, you have the spinach in there, so you don't have to feel guilty when you're done. You're gonna be licking out the plate when this is done. Watch and see. Alright, so while we do that now, we'll get a pot. Throw some olive oil in there. You can use whatever oil you want. So we'll add the seasoning now. We'll bell pepper, onion, and then we're gonna stir it up together, mixing everything, get it sauté a little bit, and then you're gonna add your jerk seasoning. You just like a sprinkle a little just to give the seasoning some more flavor. You're in the Flavor Chef Kitchen. Where else you're gonna get the flavor from? So yeah, we'll do that now. Season up the pot. We'll use the wet seasoning. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons in there. It depends still. If you don't like spice too much, use 1. Even use half if you don't like it, just to bring out the flavor even more. So we'll stir it all together. You see how me I do the thing and make it look all fancy and all this stuff for you guys. So yeah, you stir it up, and we'll add some heavy cream now. Your choice of heavy cream. You get me? Make sure you don't put milk in there, because we don't want to spoil the thing, So we'll add some heavy cream and mix it all together. You see them color, they're rich and look nice. Yeah. You're gonna make that simmer a little bit while you mix it up. Yeah, you see the color change. Yeah. Then we're gonna get about half a cup of Parmesan cheese. If you're really a cheese lover, put even a cup in there if you're really a cheese lover. Doesn't matter, you make it even thicker and richer. So we'll stir that in and make it simmer a little bit. Yeah, you see it simmer, boil up and thicken up. Yeah, so you want it to look. And then you add little salt. Okay, you don't know. You don't want to put too much salt in, because the Parmesan cheese is already salty. So then we'll add with spinach now. Boom, spinach. Mix it in back. So we'll deal with the thing like a real chef. Or a chef should deal with it. Mix him up. Yeah. Don't do that You guys, if you guys don't know if you flip the pot, don't do that, because it's all in the wrist. So yeah, we'll add with pasta now. You can put in, if you're a vegetarian, you can use the wheat pasta in there also. So we'll take out the shrimp off the grill, and we'll add in the shrimp now. See how nice them color they come out. Yeah. We shouldn't pick off the tip them still, but you don't know. We never have the time, so we mix it up. Everything now, make it simmer down a little bit. Zoom in, yeah. Make them see how the thing look rich and nice. Yeah, I like that. So, don't know. Plate time. I don't understand how the banana that you reach in that picture, but it there. Alright, my jerk seasoning on the side. You can see it. I'm going to put the link below the video so you guys can order those spices. And you get 10% off your first order. So we'll add everything to the plate. Look on that gravy. Look on that sauce. Look on that sauce. All the spinach and the bell pepper and the garlic, onion. Finger licking. Yeah. Don't embarrass yourself though by licking out the plate when you're finished. So we add some Parmesan cheese and some fresh herbs. That's parsley right there. Ooh. Nice. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, them see what, yeah. That's how we like it. So there you go. I couldn't resist still, because they're supposed to take some pictures, but right now I just have to eat it up, because it look good. It look good for pass. Look on that. So rasta pasta with jerk shrimp and spinach. There you go. Nothing more, you don't want more than that. Yeah. So all of my subscribers and the new ones to come. Yeah, blessings. Enjoy the video. Contact me for a recipe. Just text my recipe and you guys